Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Cecil of the Brown Bag Diaries. And in this episode, I'll be showing with you my loot for Bobbi Brown cosmetics. I got this sometime last month during the holiday. It's the holiday collection. Actually, it's the holiday collection, and I'm so glad I had a chance to get it because it's on sale and it's a good deal. Anyways, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. So first, I got this Maximum Moisture skincare set. The other one is the Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick Kit. And this one, it was given to me by my beautiful SA for free. It is a Long Wear Finish Foundation in SPF 15. Just not focusing. Sorry guys. Anyways, let's see. So first, let's unbox this. Let's unbox. This is their bestseller, the cream, what should I call it? This is their cream extra repair moisture cream. Okay, so let's go to the other. And this one is the shadow stick. So it's a cleansing oil. Here. Got here the Bobbi Brown mascara, smoky eye mascara. There's Bobbi Brown long wear shadow cream stick in smoky topaz. Let me show you this is the color. I've already swatched this. Swatch it for you. Yeah, it's a color of ash brown, gray, something metallic gray. And the other one is the malted pink. It's a good layering for your. I've already swatched this, so as you can see, yeah, it's so nice. The color is so nice, perfect. Love it. So there you go. Oh, so and lastly, she's so generous to give me this one. It's long wear even finish foundation. So cool. Let me try. It's in beige 3. I usually go for light ones because but it's so wow. It's nice. It's my skin color. Really close to my skin. Good. See? Blends well. And it smells so good. Love it. Bango niya. So there you guys. Those are my loot for this video. And I hope you enjoy the simple unboxing of my brown paper bag, which is the Bobbi Brown. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like. Thank you guys again for watching, and love ya!